Want to create professional presentations with LibreOffice Impress? Impress lets you build slides, add text and images, apply layouts, use animations, and present your work without needing a paid presentation app. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use LibreOffice Impress in 2026. So let's get started. First, open LibreOffice Impress from the Start menu or LibreOffice Start Center. Choose Presentation to create a new slideshow. You can start with a blank presentation or choose one of the available templates or layouts. Next, create the slides you need using the new slide option. You can choose different layouts depending on the type of content you want to display. Use the slide pane to rearrange your slides by dragging them into the order you want. Now add your presentation content. Click inside text placeholders to enter titles and information, and use the Insert menu to add images, shapes, tables, or other elements. Keeping each slide focused on a clear idea can make your presentation much easier to follow. Once your slides are ready, you can add transitions between slides or animations to individual objects. Use these effects carefully so they support your presentation rather than distracting from it. Take a moment to preview the effects and adjust their timing if necessary. Before presenting, review every slide for spelling, alignment, images, and consistent formatting. You can also start the slideshow to see how everything looks from the audience's perspective. Checking the presentation in slideshow mode can help you catch issues that aren't obvious while editing. Finally, open the File menu and save your presentation. When you're ready, start the slideshow and use the presentation controls to move through your slides. So your Impress presentation is now ready to present or share with others. And that's how to use LibreOffice Impress. Create your slides, add text and images, organize the layout, apply transitions, review the presentation, and save your finished work. Once you get comfortable with these basics, Impress gives you everything you need to create engaging presentations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.